Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is MK, so please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So this morning I decided to do a morning routine. I usually get up like, I work at 10:30, so I usually get up like 8:10 and not even 8 o'clock yet. But so when I get up, I usually, when I open my eyes, I should say, thank God for another day.
As I think about the goodness of Jesus and all that he has done for me, my soul cries out, hallelujah, thank God.
You just have to do it, whether you say it out loud or not. You just have to do it.
Period.
So that's what I do. And then here for like 10 minutes before I do anything. I just be like sitting here thinking, I guess. But I check my phone, and then I usually text my son in the morning time. I mean, he don't reply, but I still text him. But yeah, I text him already, anyways, cause he start like the bus comes from him at 8 o'clock. So I try to get up and text him before, even though I set my alarm for 8:10. I'm usually up before that time anyway. So yeah, I text him in the morning time, and I don't know he's getting ready for school, but I still text him. But then I will usually go on Instagram or Facebook or check my messages, and then I'm on there for a while, and then I will just get up and start my day. This is when I'm going to work, by the way. On the weekends, it's different. I don't be getting up out of bed that early, unless I have to do something. But yeah, so usually I check my phone, and then you go to the Bible app, and I will read the verse of today. Even though I have set the alarm for 10 o'clock every morning, I do read the verse of the day before 10 o'clock. I don't know, before 10 o'clock. So, y'all, I can tell y'all it's the verse of the day today. I just read it to myself, but it's, let me just show it to y'all. That's what it says. That's what it says. Oh, can I read it? It says, may these words of my mouth and this meditation of my heart be pleasing in your sight, Lord, my rock and my redeemer. I just wanted to be reminded in case I forget to read it, I will go back on Instagram. We don't really go on Facebook like that anymore anyways. I mean, I do, but, everybody be on Instagram. So I will go on Instagram and see what's going on for a little bit, and then, like, I'll tell myself, and then I'll get up and get ready for work. So usually in the morning time, I don't eat breakfast every morning. I'm not gonna lie, but I make sure I drink some tea though. Even if I don't finish the cup, I just make sure I have some hot tea in my system before I leave out of here. This morning, I feel like making some breakfast. Something simple, nothing big. Yesterday I had some cornmeal porridge. Yesterday I should have did that. I should have did the thing yesterday, but. So today I'm gonna have some toast, some avocado toast, with scrambled eggs with spinach. Oh my god, the other day I had some well, I can't remember what I had the other day. It was that was Saturday. That was Monday. I wasn't working, I didn't work Monday. It was Monday. I had banana waffles. Oh my god. I just decided to mash up some banana and just add the waffle mix to it and add it to my waffle maker, and I'm like, oh, why I never did this before? It tastes so good, so freaking good. It tastes better than regular pancakes and regular waffles. Like, banana waffles is top tier. But yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there. And I've been on my smoothie diet. Like, it's been 4 days now because I had a smoothie yesterday. So it's been 4 days straight since I've had a smoothie. I'm not going to make a smoothie this morning. But yeah. Oh yeah, if y'all hear something in my background, that's like I go to sleep with this thing on, and see, I wake up relaxed and everything. I don't really got bags on my eyes because this thing right here, this thunder, rain, I was having, it's very relaxing. Like it puts you to sleep. Like no lie, I sleep on my stomach sometimes. Really. So once I lay on my stomach, once I lay on my stomach and I close my eyes, then I put the pillow over my head. That's how I sleep, and I'm just like, whew, I wake up so relaxed and refreshed and rested. Like this really helps you get some good sleep. I been started doing something from last year, or was it the year before? But it helps me. But anyways, yeah. So it's a rain thunderstorm. It's on YouTube, so like they have different ones. And I'm telling you, these things are getting views. So that's that. And I'm gonna put my face mask on now, and then we're gonna go in the kitchen and make something to eat. I got 4 minutes to get out the way. Why not wait? So yeah, on my smoothie. I'm trying to think if I should make a smoothie. So this is how. So I just used my favorite mask. I've been using the mask for years. I just don't be consistent with it. It's my favorite mask. I love it. Alarm just went off. This is FaceTiming. A number FaceTiming. We don't know who the hell is that. Answering. I'm not saving my phone. I'm not answering a FaceTime. Like, who does that? Oh, they probably think they still saving my phone. Whatever. Anyways, let's go to the kitchen. Oh yeah, let's get. Oh, and I'm taking my vitamins. It's almost done. Almost done. And my iron pills is almost done too. Breakfast is ready. This is some fruits. Wish I had some strawberries right now, but I don't got none. So I'm going to go for some cold water. You see how my face was a little lighter? I've been using this for probably a month now. Still a lot of spots not going away though. I usually let it sit on my face for like 5 minutes, but I'm not done right now. I'm trying to get there for work. So, let me wash it off. I don't know the consistency if it's toothpaste, but it was not a typing time because when I away again, it's going to fall off. Yeah, because I turned on the pressure of water too high. guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.